Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, per request from Alexa's mom, we're going to be making Gruyere potatoes au gratin, and as promised, they are the cheesiest damn things you'll ever eat. Okay, so for this recipe, I wanted my Gruyere potatoes au gratin to be super cheesy, but I didn't want the cheese to be the only thing you tasted, so I kind of went the route of a fondue, since we're using Gruyere, and I made, quite frankly, quite a delicious sauce. I think you guys are going to be very, very happy with how it turned out. Okay, so essentially making potatoes au gratin is super simple. Once you have your sauce made, you just cut some potatoes, you shingle them, you put sauce on them, more cheese, some breadcrumbs, and you bake them off for like an hour and a half, and kabang, you're done. So not super complicated, pretty easy, and fun for the whole family. Alright, so he's ready to make some Gruyere potatoes au gratin. If you're a cheesy potato fan, I'm telling you, you're going to love this recipe. Love it. Let's do this. And bam, Gruyere potatoes au gratin in the bag. See how easy that was? Super simple and really perfect for the holidays, especially if you're a potato and a cheese lover. You can't really go wrong. Alright, well that's all I have time for today, so stop by later in the week where we're going to be making Roberta glazed ham. And I can't think of anything that's going to go better with my Gruyere potatoes au gratin than a nice slice of seared delicious ham slathered in a delicious Roberta pineapple glaze. You're not going to want to miss this one. Promise. I'll see you guys then.